Interested in using ChatGPT on your Windows PC or laptop? You are in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we will walk you through the easy steps to download and install the ChatGPT app on your computer, allowing you to access the power of AI-driven conversation whenever you need it. Whether you are a beginner or tech-savvy, we have got you covered with a straightforward guide. Don't miss out on the convenience of ChatGPT. Watch now and have it up and running in minutes. To download and install ChatGPT on a Windows PC or laptop, follow these steps. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Step 2. Sign up for an OpenAI account if you don't have one. Step 3. Log into your OpenAI account. Step 4. Access the ChatGPT download or installation page. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided on the page to download and install ChatGPT on your Windows computer. Step 6. Once the installation is complete, launch the application and start using ChatGPT. Please note that the availability and installation process may change over time. So make sure to refer to the OpenAI website for the most up-to-date instructions.